Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about an easy way to stay connected with family and friends, and that is Facebook Messenger. If you already use Facebook, Messenger is a great way to send messages, make video calls, and share photos all from the same place. And oh, by the way, it is the third most utilized communication app with over 1 billion users currently. Well, let's get started. To use Messenger, you're going to need a Facebook account, and you can use Messenger either on the app on the phone, Android or iPhone, or you can use it from the website. If you already have a Facebook account, simply open the Messenger app, which looks like a little blue speech bubble that you're looking at kind of on my screen there. And I am providing this demo from an iPhone today, so keep that in mind if yours looks just a little bit different. So once you find it in the App Store, you can click Install. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to click Open on mine. And here we are on the homepage of Facebook Messenger. To send a message, just tap the text box right here at the top right of the screen. Select your recipient from the list, type out your response, and then click the blue arrow to send your response. You can also tap the camera icon to take a picture and send it, or you can tap this little icon next to it to send a picture that you have already taken. Another great feature is this microphone. Tapping that opens up the audio recording interface, so you don't even have to type anything out. You can send a voice memo. Easy peasy. Now, one of the most utilized communication apps is FaceTime and Google Meet. The problem with those is that they only work on one type of phone. It's fun to have video calls, but if you have an Android phone and the person you want to call has an iPhone, sometimes it is not super easy to do a video call with that person. You can use Facebook Messenger to do video calls. All you got to do is open up your chat just like we did before for the person that you want to video call. Up here, just hit that little camera icon and that will launch a video call with that person. Alternatively, if you hit the phone icon, that will do a classic phone call to that person. So as you can see, Facebook Messenger is great because there are so many different ways that you can communicate with people. You can text them, you can send them fun little emojis by hitting the little face icon there and going to the GIFs. So many different fun things that we can send folks. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? My mom's going to love that, I'm sure. While Messenger is a great way to stay connected, it's important to stay safe. Here are a few quick tips. Be cautious of messages from people you don't know. If someone you don't recognize sends you a message, you can ignore or block them. In order to ignore or block a chat, just find them on the list, do a long press, so just hold your finger on that chat, and this menu will pop up, and then you can select mute, which will mute that conversation. You won't get any more notifications about it. You can delete them, or you can block them if you no longer want to receive any messages from this person. You also want to avoid clicking on suspicious links. Scammers sometimes send fake messages pretending to be friends or family. If a message looks unusual, don't click any links. I posted on Facebook Marketplace some of these 3D printed items, and I received this message from this person saying that my post had been taken down, but I needed to update it by clicking on that link. This is not from the Facebook team, even though it says that it is. So be very cautious and suspicious whenever you receive messages from individuals that you do not know. Final tip for staying safe on Messenger, check your privacy settings. You can control who can message you by going to Settings and adjusting your privacy options. If you access the 3- menu up here at the top left, and then select the gear icon, then you're going to scroll down to Privacy and Safety. And then the one that you really want to pay attention to probably is this one right here underneath Who Can Reach You, Message Delivery. And then in here, there are kind of 4 different groups of people that you can change the settings for. So the first one, people with your phone number by default can send you chats. If you don't want people with your phone number to be able to send you chats on Facebook Messenger, you can send them to message requests or to not even allow them to receive requests of any kind on Facebook Messenger. For this one, I go with the default because I figure if they have my phone number, they can probably send me messages over Facebook Messenger. The next one on the list is Friends of Friends on Facebook. For this one, you might consider changing it to message requests because you probably don't know these people. You're not already friends with them on Facebook, but they're an acquaintance of yours on Facebook, so you might consider changing this one to message requests. And those message requests, instead of landing in your chats field, they're just going to go right into this folder on this page. And it's just a way to kind of potentially keep people that you don't know, that you don't want to receive messages from clogging up your regular inbox on Facebook Messenger. Next level, people in your Facebook groups. So I get a lot of spam from Facebook groups, messages that I don't want anymore. I am going to change this to don't receive requests. I am in Facebook groups so that I can browse information. I don't want to be contacted directly from those folks. So I'm going to click update settings, and now I am no longer going to receive any messages from any people that are in Facebook groups that I am also in. Last one on the list, others on Messenger or Facebook. This is essentially the general population. You want to make sure probably that you don't receive requests, because this is generally how lots of spam and scams get sent your way on Facebook Messenger. And that is just a quick introduction to Facebook Messenger. It is a simple and powerful way to stay connected with the people that you love. If you have any questions, take your time exploring the app. Don't be afraid and don't hesitate to ask a friend or family member for help. Thank you for watching, and I hope now you are more tech-wise.